In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Wix Forms submission email address. First, log into your Wix dashboard and select the website you want to manage. This is important if you have more than one site in your account, because you will want to make sure you are editing the correct form settings for the right website. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click Customers and Leads. From there, select Forms and Submissions. This section is where Wix stores the forms connected to your site, along with the submission settings and notification options. Now, find the specific form you want to update in the list. When you locate it, click the three-dot icon next to the form name to open more options. From that drop-down menu, choose Form Notifications. This will take you to the area where Wix controls what happens when someone fills out that form. Under Notifications and Automations, look for the rule related to new submission received for your contact form, then click Edit. This opens the automation settings for that submission event. In the Action section, make sure Send an Email is selected. After that, a menu will open on the left side of the screen, in that panel. Click Show Additional Settings to reveal more options. These extra settings are where you can update who receives the email notifications. Next, click Edit next to Recipients. Under Contacts, click the checkbox for Contacts. Then use the drop-down menu to view the available email recipients already connected in Wix. If the email address you want is already there, you can simply select it. If not, click Create New. Then enter the new recipient details and click Save. Be sure the information is correct before saving, since this is the address that will receive future form submission alerts. Once the new recipient has been added and selected, click Apply. Then click Apply again to save all of your changes in the form notification settings. That final confirmation is important, because without it, your updates may not be saved, and that's it. Thanks for watching.